Guys, welcome to yet another exciting video. It's your boy Twadi, and today's guest is someone y'all were not expecting. This is Madlala Rapatsa, and this is one of the most exciting acts in South Africa right now, as his style is unique and versatile, and a lot of people are really taking him in a lot of ways. So today we're gonna find out his story and the kind of music that he does. Madlala Rapatsa is straight from the KZN, and he's the dopest upcoming artist on TikTok right now in South Africa. But before we get to his story real quick, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and hit the notification bell so that whenever we drop another exciting video about a musician, so you'll be there in time, man. You feel me? It's your boy Twadi, and let's get to it.
Ingazivela kwasosho Madlala Rapatsa abantu ba-Afrika namatsiba mchithe kagayosha bebele khozo yabo ngafika beqashiye endlini nami ngagiya ngafika beqashiye endlini nami ngagiya akobharezo nqangala sekuze kwawanibhodlela lomjita uyakhala nichitha utwala bambaqina wena ongadakiwe ufunani la ikhaya ethaveni wena ongadakiwe ufunani la ikhaya ethaveni
So basically, Madlala Rapatsa came out of nowhere and took TikTok by storm when he started dropping his music online. And soon enough, comments and beef started going out, and a lot of people started reacting and responding to the kind of music he was doing. And a lot of people really like his songs, but there are some people who went against him, and especially people from KZN, saying that he's disgracing their province, and the music that he's doing, it's another genre that he came up with. People are saying it's his own genre and stuff. But Madlala Rapatsa doesn't really care, because he's a true artist, he's a real musician. You feel me? He's been in the trenches, he knows what's up with it, and he's quick with the flow, he's quick with it. He's been dropping music ever since, he never stopped. He's even going viral on Facebook right now.
Lesikugula mfethu, yabona wena lokugeza ubuso bakho ngeanda. Yabo, uthatha ianda lapho ugeze ngayo ubuso. Ubuso bakho bunuka amasende manje. Ndaba yokugeza ubuso bakho ngeanda. Yabo. Manje nokwenkununu ubuso bakho bunuka amasende manje, ndaba ukuthi ubugeza ngeanda. Hlukana sikugula nokugeza ubuso bakho ngeanda mfethu, yabo. Cause manje bese uhamba unuka amasende yonke indawo lena. Yabo, ubuso bakho nje gcwele inkununu yamasende. Kahle sikugula ukunukisa ubuso bakho ngamasende. Hlukana nokugeza ubuso ngeanda. Ayi.
People expected Mr. Rapatsa to be a grown up, to be the bigger man in this kind of situations. He wasn't about to let people play him, and he had to let them know where he had to get off with him. And shit, you feel me? He went all out.
sanibona nonke mbombi yonyoko sanibonani man, ayi zibule zinto nikubwezinja
But it's not always bad for Nkosi Oshuni, as sometimes he will be seen in videos enjoying his music with his newly found fans, people that really adore him and really follow him, you feel me? A lot of people don't really like the tactics, but a lot of people are starting to realize that Madlala is a star, man. I won't lie, on PD. And it's your boy Twadi. This was a really short video, you feel me? Yeah, Madlala is a legend. I had to. Viva.
Biba.
Inkosi oshuni madlala phakathi abantu bafika nomazibani 12k shibele khozo yabo 12k ngendlela ephashe ngawo yabonakala ukuthi uzalwa nabo mangiqwembeshe omahoshe hayi into ihlala ukushana nensuku igcwala umlomo khupha amadoda one way kunjalo uzwakala omunye seshawa ke la enzansi ke hayi ingalo zabona besimame ngathi sinomthwalo mengabe kwenza ngoba belo 12k mfana wami lento yakhe ayikho mfana utshela osisi bakho bayeke lento yabo mfana wami ngeke isikhathi sihambile mfethu ngabe kunje ya 12k mfana wami ya hey ya uthe mengabe sesho lo muntu engizwatshela amafoyisa saqakeka ukuthi labo bangena kanjani ke mengabe kunje 12k mfana wami eyophashile mfana ngathi unesikhumba sezambane 12k wamasimbu ikaka sana ya hey mina ngitshela zika bhoqo ngeke ngikusabe eqobo sidalo ya hey ya 12k wamanyala koshibule ngamakhwenze amakhondane awudithathele lithuba sibhekisa amabombo lebu lelishala mbombo namazinyenja la sale ngiphume endabeni zabaculi wena bekhona abaculi ngakini hayi opapapeni nawe ufaka umsile lapha ufake nesizwe esikhulu uchivoze kwenze lento abayenzayo hayi khenzelene amasimbi asithandi kuloko ukukhuluma la unyongo fusekman ya nkuma bulongo sanodethethe lo muri winja sana fuseke ngempela onja kanyoko
Biba.